Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here alongside Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, stock market volatility and market declines can be especially troublesome for retirees. People do worry about that. So, Calvin, what advice do you have for people who are concerned about their portfolio?
Sure, I would say the first thing they should do is get a risk analysis, and that's really two parts. You want to determine what is your personal risk tolerance, how much drawdown are you comfortable with, and does that match the current allocation that you have in your portfolio? If you told me that your drawdown risk was really only 10 or 15%, but you have a portfolio that's 90% stocks, which could go down 40% or more, you want to know that up front so that we can make an adjustment and put those in alignment. The other thing that you want to include is making sure that you've got sources of your portfolio designed to generate the income that you need in retirement that's stable and predictable. And the stock market isn't always set up to do that. So there are no do-overs in retirement. So working with a qualified retirement planning specialist to put together the right tools and the right allocation can really help you. And that's why we've built this retirement roadmap kit.
I'm guessing it's very eye-opening when people do that risk analysis and find out a little bit how they really are allocated.
Exactly, and hopefully before there's a market decline, we can make the adjustments.
Right, that's why it's important to act now and get started on that retirement planning, and you have some great resources to help us.
That's right, whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, using the tools in this kit will be valuable for you.
So if you are concerned you might be taking on too much risk with your retirement savings, call, text, or go online to get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. Calvin, thanks for your time again today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.